Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the new Whimsy Stamps Woodland Duck rubber stamp. This Woodland Duck stamp is really cute. It has two ducks side by side and they look like they're swimming on water. The stamp itself measures approximately 3 3/4 inches wide by 2 1/4 inches tall. I'm going to stamp the ducks out for you so you can see how they stamp. I'm going to use my Misty stamping tool. You will need to make sure you take the foam insert out since the rubber stamp is so thick. I make sure I cover the stamp really well with my ink, and then I press down on it all over the whole stamp. As you can see, it gives a really nice impression. If you want the duck's detail to stand out even more, you can choose to double stamp it. As you can see, this stamp has a lot of detail to it, and you could leave it black and white as well if you wanted to. You can use Copic markers to color it in, watercolor it, or colored pencils. I chose to watercolor the ducks, and I made this cute birthday card using the Woodland Ducks stamp and the new tree ring background rubber stamp. I hope you enjoyed this release and head on over to the Whimsy website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any of the new releases and videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.